Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa with Next Up is Lisa. It is Sunday morning for me and it is still November, so I thought I would make some pumpkin pancakes. I'm going to use a recipe that I came across from King Arthur's Flour. If you are interested, stay tuned. Okay everybody, these are the things that we're working with today. This is 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk. But the one thing that I'm changing up is I am using pumpkin spice creamer. I'm also going to put in some baking powder and then pumpkin pie spice. So let's get to mixing everything up. Okay everybody, we're going to start our pumpkin pancakes and we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients together. That will be 1 1/4 cups of unbleached flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And once we have all of these ingredients in a bowl, we're going to mix everything together and set the dry ingredients aside. So now in this bowl, we are going to mix all of the wet ingredients. And that will be 1 cup of milk or pumpkin pie creamer, the kind that you might put in your coffee, 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that has been melted, and 1 large egg. And we're just going to mix that together and be prepared to pour into the dry mix. So now I'm going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and I'm going to stir everything until it's evenly moistened. So I continued to fry up the pancakes until I had used all of the batter, and this is how they came out of the pan. So a little extra butter and some warm syrup never hurt anybody's pancakes. Add some crispy bacon to the plate, and this is a Sunday breakfast that I love to eat. All right, everybody, here is the moment of truth. I'm going to taste these pancakes. These aren't bad at all. Actually, they're really good. I'm surprised that they're not over spiced by me substituting the pumpkin pie creamer for milk. It makes me wonder if I use milk. I probably would have wanted to use more pumpkin pie spice, but using the pumpkin pie spice and the pumpkin pie creamer is like the perfect balance. I was really concerned about how thick they were, but it actually works because they're really very, very light. I think this is going to be a keeper. If you are interested in this recipe, I will link the original King Arthur recipe, and I will also let you know in the comments how I changed it. And if you decide to try this, please let me know how it came out for you. I love to hear from you in the comments section about that and about any other recipes you might like for me to try. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you for stopping by. And I hope that you would think about subscribing. If you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really enjoyed the time that we spend together in my kitchen, and I hope to see you again soon. I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks, and bye, everybody.